Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be reviewing Klaiyi hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys everything they sent in the package before we get into the tutorial. They sent me quite a few goodies, which the first was this super cute ring that looks like a little snowflake, and I can't wait to wear it. Like, it's literally perfect for the season. They sent me these lashes and this makeup brush, which is super cute. It closes up. And then they also sent me 2 elastic bands, 1 cheetah print and 1 green. And then they sent 2 wig caps. They sent a drawstring bag for my wig after I'm done with it so it doesn't get mixed up. And last but not least, y'all, they sent me this super freaking cute robe, and it's green, and green is my second favorite color. I'm just in love with this freaking robe. It's so comfortable. I have it on right now. So y'all, let's get into this hair install. So this hair that I'm gonna be installing today is a 30-inch auburn color body wave unit and 180 density. I did plug this unit, but I did not bleach the knots on this unit because normally when I try to bleach the knots on pre-colored units, it just doesn't work. So I just decided to just leave the knots alone and just plug it, and it actually turned out really, really good. What you guys see me doing here is just putting my color makeup all over the lace and under the lace so that it will match me perfectly. And I'm just using foundation and a little bit of powder for this. You can use whatever you feel comfortable. Some people like to use concealer. It just depends on however you want to do it. It's no right or wrong way. And then now I'm using some alcohol to just clean off my skin from all of that makeup and any oils or anything that's on my skin, because it is important that your skin is super clean before you put any glue on it. This is especially important because you want the glue to specifically adhere to your skin and not any oils or makeup or anything else, because it could mess with how good the glue stays, and it also could turn your glue a different color, and that is super duper important. You want your glue to dry clear. So just make sure you're cleaning your skin. You can use alcohol or you can use whatever product you feel is safe for your skin that you know is going to get it clean, but I just prefer to use alcohol because it gets everything off. So you will know that your glue is completely dry once it is clear. And now I'm just gonna place that unit back down onto my head, and I'm just gonna make sure that I'm putting exactly where I want it to be. So here you just see me tugging on the lace a little bit and making sure that it's sitting exactly where I want it. And then what I'm gonna do is take a comb and I'm gonna push the lace into the glue to just make sure that everything is sticking. It's not gonna be super duper stuck right now, but I'm gonna show you guys how I quote unquote melt the lace. So here I'm just tying up the hair, and then I'm gonna take some Even Wonder Lace spray, and I'm just gonna spray this all around the perimeter of the unit. And then I'm going to use a elastic band to go ahead and tie that down. And I'm gonna keep this on for as long as I can keep it on for. I recommend to keep it on about 10 to 15 minutes at the very, very least, because this is gonna make sure that your lace is not gonna go anywhere and it's gonna be melted. So yeah, that's my little secret, that's my little trick. And then now I'm just cutting off the lace. I use regular shears. You can use eyebrow razor or anything that's sharp enough to cut some lace. I just do it the most simplest way possible, which is shears. And I get a good result just simply off the fact that I know how to blend the lace very well. So it doesn't really matter whether or not I'm cutting it ragged or cutting it straight, because you still can't see the lace. I like to get all excess lace. I don't like to see any extra lace in front of the hairline, so I try to get as close to the hairline as possible, and I feel like I get the most natural result when I don't leave any extra lace. For my baby hairs, y'all, I honestly can't even explain exactly what I do. It's super hard to explain it, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and learn, and I'm just hush and let you guys just soak it up and, you know, get the gist of what I'm doing, because y'all, I honestly can't explain it. I have completed my baby hairs, I like to take a wrap strip and just put that over my baby hairs so that it can take most of the moisture out of it. I like to also hit it with my blow dryer and just make sure that they are completely dry, because I don't like when my baby hairs are still wet. And then now you're gonna see me removing the wrap strip, and they are in place and they ain't going nowhere, okay? And I like to just do this because I feel like it really sets them in place and it makes sure that they don't go anywhere. And I like to use a very, very lightweight product, which is foam. So it's very easy for the hair to move after you apply foam. So I just like to make sure that I tie it down and completely dry it before I do anything else. And then here you guys gonna see me making my side part. I'm gonna just be flattening out the wig. I'm using a wax stick and a hot comb to just make sure that everything is super flat. You don't want your wig bumpy, go get you a hot comb, because this is the one thing that's gonna make sure that your wig is super duper duper flat. So here you guys will just see me playing around with it, just keep messing with it, making sure that it's all flat before we get into styling. Okay, so on to styling. I wanted to go for a body wave look, but I didn't want to wet this hair because, as you guys see, I wasn't even in my studio. I was out of town, so I'm like, what's the quickest way I can get the wavy look of this hair without wetting it? So I just decided to crimp the hair. I used the Arrogante Crazy Crimpers. I don't think they're on sale, but you can find crimpers pretty much anywhere, and that is what I used to style my hair. I just went through and section by section did it. It was super quick and easy, and the result was super bomb. So I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let y'all see the final product. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like it, comment, and subscribe, because y'all already know. I don't even gotta say it. Y'all already know. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Bye.